Imagine staring at a pipeline full of deals that look great until they evaporate. Manual spreadsheets, gut based scoring, and disconnected metrics waste 12 plus hours weekly while stakeholders lose trust. The sales forecasting pack fixes this with AI driven pipeline analysis using weighted scoring models, dynamic opportunity scoring trained on 3+ years of historical data, multi scenario forecasting for risk mitigation, and executive dashboards with drill downs to the exact deal stage, slowing growth. This isn't just for RevOps managers, it's for sales leaders drowning in data chaos, finance teams building board reports in the dark, and executives needing predictability. Let's just say your trust us Q4 will be better days are numbered. Here's what's inside the sales forecasting pack: data preparation with CRM integration for Salesforce and HubSpot, AI model training with customizable weighted scoring algorithms, scenario planning engine for best case, worst case, and stretch forecasts, dashboard builder with pre built Tableau and Power BI connectors, collaboration layer for cross functional annotations. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists, and it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't a tool, it's your new operating system for revenue predictability. Installing the sales forecasting pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add sales forecasting pack. That's it. You'll download the full workflow: data ingestion scripts, Python based scoring models, scenario planning templates, and dashboard code. No config hell. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands terms like weighted average deal velocity and cohort based risk scoring. Just don't blame us when your CFO starts asking, "Why didn't we do this sooner?" Revenue predictability isn't math, it's math. And now it's yours.